Imagine waking up to a simpler life right here in Eastern Washington. This charming homestead is calling your name. Picture fresh sourdough bread rising in your kitchen, vibrant dahlias blooming in the sunny garden, and a peaceful flock of sheep grazing quietly in the pasture. With happy chickens delivering farm-fresh eggs every morning, you'll enjoy that true homestead rhythm, growing, baking, and living closer to the land. Nestled against beautiful Mount Spokane, this property offers hot summer days, perfect for the garden, and crisp winters that make coming home feel extra cozy. Whether you're dreaming of the smell of fresh, warm sourdough, cutting armfuls of flowers for the table, or tending your animals, this homestead is ready for you. Don't miss your chance to own this slice of peaceful Eastern Washington living. A simpler life is calling, and here it is.
Call the Fowler Group to make this homestead yours.